Hello guys, it's Alison here from learntotradecrypto.net, and today's video I'm going to go into my price prediction for reserve rights token. So reserve rights token is one of those cryptocurrency projects that's quite popular at the moment. In terms of fundamentals, you probably need to go and do your own research about that. There's lots of information going on websites like CoinGecko and then CoinMarketCap. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video and leave us a comment. I always read the comments and I engage with those who leave comments on my videos. And it's always a pleasure to have a chat with very like-minded people. So I'm looking forward to your comments. Right, so let's, let me stop sharing that one and then come sharing that screen with you guys. Right, so let's come here and then we go to the straight to the chats, okay? Right, so what we have here is the daily chart of reserve rights token. And like I said, if you wanted to go and look at the reserve rights token, you can just type in, go to CoinGecko and look at RSR. Yeah, so that's reserve rights token. And then you want to learn about the fundamentals, you can then click on rsr.org and learn more about the token itself and what it stands for. But it's been one of those very, very profitable tokens, which I have been trading on my bots. If we go on the history, we come, let me put that a bit further back, maybe into December, November, and then say, okay. And then we'll just say November 1st, and we'll say, okay, right? And we can see once I've closed, it's been very, very profitable for us. See, when I closed it, it was 1,996. I actually canceled it by mistake, but we've been trading it on this bot for quite a while, and that is nearly $2,000 in profit, okay? So where do I think the price is going from here? Now, this is the daily chart of reserve rights token. So we see, I've put a number of markings here, don't get confused. Let me explain all of them. So these areas have cycled previous significant levels. So you see all the L matchup. This was a previous area of resistance, and then potentially it's going to be a support area. And I'm going to explain that. And also in terms of Elliott waves, I use Elliott waves to try and give some context to the market. So you can see we had a bit of a push here, which is impulse wave 1. And then we had a retracement for the retracement or corrective wave 2. And then we also have an impulse wave 3. And now what we're having is corrective wave 4. And we're going to go to impulse wave 5 at some point. So this is the push we're expecting. So in terms of starting the bot, I started the bot somewhere around here previously from what I showed you before. And I entered around between 0.15 and 0.14. And we traded it up, and we've been trading it up, up and down up to this time. So I'm believing that this is a corrective phase, and by the time we're done with this correction, we're going to land around 0.25. So what I'm going to say is, if you're looking to buy into reserve rights token, the price to buy in will be around 0.25. Now, why 0.25? I will believe that at that time, we would have been done with the corrective phase with 4. And if you see, if I remove that, you will see that this was an area where the price broke out from very recently, and price always tends to come and retest those areas where it broke out from. And also, if you do the Fibonacci retracement, use Fibonacci retracement tool, if we take it from here to here, you will see this is going to land around, if we take it all the way from the bottom here, okay, that is going to coincide. I don't know if you can see it in this circle here. Let me remove that. That's going to coincide with the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, okay? So there are a lot of factors that is working in favor of price coming back here, okay? So I drew this, this bar here. Let me take that away as well, so it's not as confusing, okay? So you can see this rectangle I drew here just to outline this as a significant area of as a key zone. Let me take that off. So you can see that this price level is going to be quite significant because a lot of confluence of factors that's going to influence that. Okay, so if I'm going to restart my bot like I do, I'll be looking to restart the bot, although I've already taken up a position around here. I did that because the bot can equally buy it all the way down for me and then start trading it up again. Okay, so in terms of where the price would go, definitely it's going to rise above 0.5. It's going to rise above 5 cents at some point. So that's my prediction. It's going to rise above 5 cents at some point. But if you're looking for a convenient point to restart, this is a good area to start. Okay, so somebody even also asked me on Twitter how to chart. So I hope you might even find this brief video as a lesson on how to chart, taking into account Elliott wave as a concept. I don't treat Elliott waves per se, but I use it as a concept, or to give market context, to give context to the market and have an idea of where I am in the grand scheme of things. Okay, so I hope this makes sense, and I have a lot of other videos talking about the bot, how I use the bot to trade. So this is my current trade on RSR. It's just put it up 2 days ago. Like I said, I came in 2 days ago and I've already taken up a position because I know the bot is going to buy it all the way down for me and then begin to trade it. Okay, the bot only buys and sells, buys low and then sells high. So that's how I use the bot to manage nearly all my open positions in the market. It's been very, very good for me, and I hope you might find it useful as well. I have links. I'll have links below this particular video to my blog, where I explain more about how I manage my crypto trades. Okay, so it's Alison. Thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video. And yeah, hopefully have a chat with you soon. Bye-bye.